Watch me make a scroll-stopping social media video in Canva using AI. Let's get started. I'm in Canva and I'm about to show you something really exciting. If you have a business or a product you want to sell, this process will work great for you. Let me show you right now. I'm going to Canva AI and I'm going to click on this plus sign. You've got several choices. You can upload things, you can add things of your own from Canva, go to your uploads, import things, and more. But what I'm going to is choose it from Canva. So I'll click there and go into my uploads. I'll go to videos. These are videos that I grabbed from Canva. I'll pretend these are my own videos that I created. Next, I'll pick several of them, just like this. These are the ones I want to include in the new video. I'm going to pretend that I own a day spa and that I want to create some social media videos for it. Okay, so I'll add these 10 videos. The next thing I need to do is add a prompt right here. So I went to ChatGPT and I had it help me create a prompt to make an Instagram reel using Canva. And here's what it made. You can read it here. Now I'll copy it, then go back to Canva and put it right there. So basically, it's going to create a luxurious, relaxing Instagram reel for a high-end day spa using these video clips I gave it. So I've chosen my videos and added a prompt, so click here. Canva is going to take this prompt and these different videos and create something for me. And you can see right now, it's already done. So that was probably not even a full minute, and it's made 3 different ones for me. All right, let's look at them and see what it made. Here's the first one. I'll click on it, but before we watch it, I want to show you what all Canva has done here. It's added music, added different clips, broken them up in different ways, and it's added some other things. All right, I'll pull this back down and let's watch. Okay, not bad. I would suggest to come in here and make this a little bit bigger, and concerning the music, I would fade it out there. Also, I really like that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 thing effect. You could put more text in here, different graphics, etc. But for doing practically nothing, this is a great start, and with a little editing would be perfect for any business. Once you're ready, you can go over here to Share, download it, choose 1080, and click Download. And now you've got a completely new social media post in just seconds. Let's look at the other 2. Now this one, wow, this one's got a lot more to it. It's got a lot of little graphics, text, music, and more. Let's watch it. Okay, that is really pretty. I really like these overlays and everything. Canva did a really nice job here. Remember, you can click on all of these things and change them. I would definitely change the color to something darker to make it easier to read. Music-wise, I would make it a lot quieter because it's really loud, and also fade it at the end. And go to Share, Download, and then download it. Let's check out the last one. Again, let's look under the hood first. Wow, so this one's got a lot of writing, more clips, and really loud music. Let's change that and add a fade at the end. Let's watch it. Okay, completely different from the others. I find it so interesting that each one of these is so very different in look, tone, and more. So if you own a business or have a product to sell, you should definitely come here and try this method to make videos like these yourself. They are perfect for social media. And now that you know the process, tell me in the comments below, do you think you can make videos using this new Canva AI method? I'm curious to know, what kind of video did you make using this new Canva AI method? Have fun experimenting! If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.